Kundalini meditation. Find a comfortable seated position with a tall, straight spine. Place your hands on your knees with palms facing up. Close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze. Now, take a few moments to relax your body with deep breaths. Visualize a brilliant sphere of radiant, vibrant light at the base of your spine where dormant Kundalini energy rests. See it spiraling and glowing with potential. On each slow inhale, mentally direct this light to rise up from the base of your spine. Visualize it passing through each chakra point and energetically activating them. Imagine the light rising through the sacral chakra. Solar plexus. Heart center. Throat chakra. Third eye. And finally, crown chakra at the top of your head. Upon reaching the crown, envision the light shooting out of your body as a fountain, cascading down around you in a shower of sparks. On each long, slow exhale, follow the light back down to reach energetic center, returning to a coil at the base of your spine. Continue this circular motion with your breath, visualizing energy spiraling up and down your spine, clearing any blocks, and spinning your chakras brighter. Imagine each chakra glowing in its unique color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. See them becoming energized and balanced with each cycle. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, take a few moments to sense energy humming through every cell. Notice any physical or emotional shifts. To close, gently return your awareness to your body. Carry this balanced, vitalized energy into your day and activities. With regular practice, Kundalini meditation can unblock energy, reduce stress, and elevate consciousness.